Hello guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add a video pop-up like this with a thumbnail, the animated icon, and when you click on it, a pop-up appears like that. To add a video pop-up like this, you need to add a plugin called Divi. First, go to dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this, search Divi. Here you can see Divi add-on plugin. Now click on install now. Once the plugin installed, click on activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings, just click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Now go to post and click on add new post. Here you have to add post title and then click on use Divi builder button. Here you have to choose a layout. I will building from scratch. Now select a single row. Scroll down. Here you have Divi modules. Scroll down. Here you can see video pop-up. Select this module. Now here you can use a overlay image. Click on this image box. Select image. Upload an image. Now here you can add alternative text. I will add column alignment. Now here is the trigger element. You can use text here, icon and text, but I will use only icon. Here you have 6 different styles of icon. I will add style 5. Now here is the video type and here is the video URL. Add your URL. Now in settings you can animate it. I will enable it. Now click on this tick button, click on these 3 dots and publish the post. After publishing, to take a live review, click on this exit visual builder button. Now here you can see you have a thumbnail that is actually a overlay image, the animated button, and when you click on it, the pop-up appears and video will start. That's how you can add a video pop-up in your WordPress page or blog using Divi and Divi plugin. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Thanks for watching.